Hello everyone, I am Hani Santosh Sankhi. I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today I am going to start about PowerPoint presentation. My subject is material management. My topic is purchasing management. So let's see about introduction. What is purchase management? Is a department in an organization for purchasing activities. Purchase is most important function of in any organization. First of all, what is the process of purchasing? We are managing the order, receipt, review, and approval for the item from a supplier. When we are given a user requirement specification, and then you are managing the order, then give a receipt, review, and then approve for a final item to the supplier. So purchase is the first element which affect the product cost. Purchase segment decide profitability of the company. The purchasing management department ensure that all goods, supplies and inventory need to operate the business are ordered and kept in a stock. It is also responsible for controlling the cost of the good, ordering, controlling inventory level, and building a strong relationship between with supplier. Next is objectives. Purchase management to keep the department expensive low. Means of what? Department wise low budget and then goes to the this the skill of the purchase, the development of good and new vendor or a supplier, development of good relation with existing supplier means और existing supplier इसके साथ अच्छा रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करना, ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पर्सनल एम्प्लॉय इन अ डिपार्टमेंट. There are various training and developing for the employers for various organization to build a skill to how to handle the product and what training order like a SAP training, ERP training, etc. to maintain the proper and up-to-date record of all transactions. Next is participating in development of new material and product to contribute in a product improvement to avoid stock out situation to develop policies and procedure. Next is function of purchasing management. Receive purchase request, search starting point of procurement activity. It is the statement of requirement of production. Review and evaluate requisition. Next, then is this sub point is purchase department review, item description and quantity. Estimate purchase price or a last purchase price, consumption pattern in a last 3 years when the material is required. Next is supplier selection. These are a big selection or a thought for a supplier selection, deciding on the mode of procurement and invitation to tender is issue. Security of offer. Reply to of a supplier to invitation to tender is called as an offer. An offer is for specification, price, and other term and condition. 5. Order placement. Purchasing department select the supplier and places order. Next is 7. Market research and information discussion, meeting supplier representative, keeping check the latest development with respect to the company or audits and product. Means of various types of product when we are use and where is the order receipt to check the auditor for the security and personal health reason also. So purchasing department is the most important department of our organization. Next is a studies new development in production material and processes. Means of a new raw material is inbuilt, and then we have to standard process like supply new supplier, new raw material, new inventory. It is 8. Payment authorization, ensuring all goods are delivered before payment is made. And suppose like various modes of payment like a PO, work order, etc. Purchasing cycle stages. There are a various stages in purchasing cycle. There is a recognition of need, description of need, selection of suitable sources, price and availability are determined, purchase order is a prepared and send out the supplier, acceptance of the purchase order is obtained, follow up is done for the purchasing department, checking the invoice and approving it for making a payment. Next is recognizing of a need. Identifying, recognize means of identify problem. Identify the item that officially brought to attention of the purchasing department. Ensures of requisition the need item and become the basis of action by purchasing department. Second, assurance of bill material, a list of all items to be incorporated into finished product that the company produce. Description of the requirement. When your user write description and then your purchase, this purchasing requisition describe the required item in order to assure complete accurate information of ordering. Next is selection of source. A right supplier is one who deliver material for the correct specification on the specific delivery date. 4. Determination of prices and availability method. First method is vendor catalog. Next is negotiation means a bargaining, inviting tender or quotationship. Quotationship means when you're purchasing order, you are required to make a quotation, and then we are passing the tender or a quotation, then gives you a order. Next is a placing the order, purchasing order. The legal order is placed with supplier for is known as a purchasing order acknowledgement. Order acknowledgement is to get definite commitment for the supplier about the supply of item. Follow up. Follow up is done to ensure that the item order are delivered by the supplier on the item. Third, a general policy should be established for the entire purchasing department. The immediate responsibility for expediting is likely to rest on the buyer who placed the order. Check the invoice and approve payment. Selection of vendor. This is the best fundamental and technical analysis to selection of vendor. This is the process where the organization identifies the potential supplier for specific supplier service or equipment. The supplier as a history are analyzed. Next is a purchasing manager research potential building obtaining information on the organization, and past record also you are to analyze, and then selection of vendor is executed. Next is negotiating. Negotiating is the bargaining skill of the purchasing field. One of the go purchasing agent to acquire a good for the most advantages of the buy. Steps. A value analysis team to committee take a product which has been designed or produced. They are attempt of defining what the function of product should fulfill. The analyze committee tries to perform that function is the lowest possible cost. Comparativeness analysis value analysis may the investigate all identical parts purchased by the company, and this investigation can expose opportunity to cut cost of some of these parts. Supplier contact is yet another approach to value analysis. Smart purchasing personal maintain close contact with the purchaser. Next is advantages. There are various advantages of purchasing management. First of all, lower cost. This is by the primary function of the purchasing department. Reduce risk and ensure the security of supply. Manage relationship like a vendor or a supplier to manage a relationship when we are need and then go to supply our product and our organization consume less consuming time. Next is improve quality. We all know about the past data of vendor or past data of the product. This to know about the quality of the vendor product. So this purchasing skill, we have to improve the quality of the product. Thank you.